So with that, I'd like to welcome our CEO and founder, Marc Fleischmann.
So much. Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you today to our event to talk about a big step forward in how data clouds will be built. The digital world is changing faster than ever and is creating an unprecedented amount of opportunity to create new value. The explosion of data is also posing daunting challenges to all of those who cannot intelligently access this data. But what if you had the freedom on creating business value rather than spending all the time to keep up with your ever-changing infrastructure? Welcome to the data era. Welcome to Datera. In the data era, an incredible amount of interactions of billions of devices, millions of users and applications is generating an unprecedented amount of data. 150 million email messages, 21 million messages on WhatsApp, 3 million YouTube videos, 2.4 million Google searches, and 1 million new containers created by Google every minute. All of them expect interactive service. All of them expect a cloud-like experience. All of them expect a massive amount at their proverbial fingertips. With that added complexity, scale, and interactivity, services that just a few years were unimaginable are now driving entirely new demands on data. This immense amount of data, combined with the added complexities of billions of mobile devices, IoT, security, and stringent real-time processing needs, is challenging traditional IT. A few companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft Azure have actually mastered these challenges. They have the significant engineering resources to build the infrastructure of the data era. Their immense success is now challenging the existing enterprise. And where does that leave the rest of us? It leaves us at the information age equivalent of the industrial age. It leaves us with rigid, handcrafted silos that are dedicated to specific applications. Therefore, it leaves us with slow deployment, it leaves us with limited scale, and it leaves us with immense complexity. In essence, it leaves us with an obsolete model at every single stage of the value creation chain. It leaves us with an obsolete model for purchasing, for planning, for deployment, for operations, and specifically for economics. The promise of the cloud is to deliver an entirely new quality of infrastructure experience at an entirely new scale. But we need to bring our existing applications with us on that ride. We need to actually do this for any application, at any scale, and in any framework. This is a real challenge because we're stuck between the emerging world of agile development, digital processes, and unlimited scalability, and at the same time, the legacy world of rigid applications, fixed hardware and software architectures, and silo-based infrastructure. While everyone wants to move forward to the new world, most critical business applications are not there yet. The only way out of this dilemma is to build a common data plane, a common data infrastructure that accommodates all of those applications. This is what Datera does. So let me go back to the current problem, the challenges on traditional IT and how it's looking and how we can take it forward to this new world. Traditionally, when you have, for instance, performance applications, you build a specific environment for them to, for instance, map them on flash arrays, for deliver high performance. Or if you have, say, a capacity application, you would perhaps map it on a disk array, on a more traditional disk array to save cost, to have it very economical. Or if you have a mixed workload, you would match it to a hybrid array and get the corresponding price performance profile. How do we take that forward and actually bring it to the cloud? We do that by building a unified data infrastructure. We pool the resources, we pool every performance band in these arrays, and we deliver it in a cohesive way. We then map the policies, we map the requirements of the applications, the business intents of the applications on those performance bands by expressing them in policies. And lastly, we tie all of this together with a self-optimizing system that continuously balances between application needs and infrastructure capabilities. This is the promise of the cloud. That is the kind of data infrastructure that we're bringing to it. So to wrap this up, Datera builds automatic data infrastructure for all business needs, for all business requirements. We do this by learning your application needs and understanding your data center capabilities and bringing them both together. This allows you to run any application in any stack at any scale, which then provides game-changing performance and game-changing economics. Thank you very much. Now I'd like to welcome a guest who has a unique insight in how to build clouds. He is from Google and can give us specific perspective and his approach to unlock the power of data. Let's welcome Bogomil Bakanski. Bogomil, it's great to have you here. Thank you for coming.